bug arena. Ooh.
Is it working?
Mm-hmm.
I hope I don't destroy it. And the snow's going in my eyes. Because it's snowing right now. I wish I could just sleep right here.
Okay. You not cool? Where's your eye? Right.
Oh. No, I don't want to destroy it. Come on, move it.
What do you want to say? What you want to say? Huh?
Thank you so much for watching. Wait. This is what I made for my
Today we have a storm in.
Halifax.
Yeah.
And I'm playing in the snow right now. Okay, this is so cool.
And there's no work.
No school, no
Everything
work.
shut down.
Yep, and in fact, it's gonna snow until like tomorrow.
Whoa.
Done, done, done. So, I don't know. It's gonna be crazy. Woo! It's so cold.
What you with there? I'll go back.
Wait, look.
Wait.
I got
Yeah.
this. It's like ice and snow mixed up. It's ice and snow mixed up. It's so heavy. Ugh.
Oh, that's a perfect one.
African style. Can I balance it? I think it's gonna fall. I can't believe I'm balancing it. Oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall if I move.
Okay, what you gonna say?
Thank you for watching.
God bless.
God bless you.
Please like.
Comment and share. Bye.